Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hotham, South Birmingham. So, Freelander 2.2 SD4 XS Commandshift. So, automatic 2012, finished in metallic blue. It's got the beige leather suede trim, covered 66,000 miles and had the cam belt replaced at 54,000 miles. Full service history, 8 services in total. So auto, £10,995, lovely mileage, 66,000 miles. Automatic diesel, 4-wheel drive, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, electric seats, heated seats, Alpine HiFi, 2 keys, lovely example. Our old car, we sold this about 2 years ago. The customers come back and just bought a newer Discovery 4. Sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, heated seats, electric seats, parcel shelves in there, fitted mats throughout. Very nice, 66,000 miles, 12 plate, Freelander 2.2 XS automatic. Front and rear park sensors. Real clean car. All complete. Looks original, not dented, not scratched, not knocked about. Wheels, tyres, all in good condition. Interior, lovely. Low mileage for a 12 plate, 66,000. Cam belt replaced at 54. And water pump. 8 services. All matching tyres. Lots of tread on them. Alpine HiFi. Folding electric mirrors. Bluetooth for your phone. Cruise control. 66,893 miles. Sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, as I say, heated seats. Lovely car. Electric seats. £10,995. Last serviced in February. MOT to the 5th of March 2025. Lovely car, that ready to go. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, nearly 2,000 car videos for you to thumb through that we've produced over the last 10 years. But you can watch this video over and over again then. But if you subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube, you will be the first person to know. Every time we have a fresh car come into stock, you will get a little notification and be able to watch the video so you know exactly what cars we've got. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.